In this episode, we will explore a sample interview for a SQL database developer requirement. We will use a MySQL database for demonstration. To go to the database workspace, we will click on the CoPanel icon on the status bar at the bottom and then select Database from the drop-down menu. This will open the database project. Once in the database project, the candidate will be guided to open the README file and scroll down to the section that contains the entity relationship diagram for the employee database. The candidate can take a minute to explore and analyze the different tables and the relationships between these tables. The candidate goes to the Database Explorer icon and clicks on the MySQL option to connect to the database. The green dot denotes an active database connection. The active connection can be expanded to explore all the databases and underlying objects inside that database. Here we can see the candidate checking the tables inside the employee database. The candidate has been asked to write a query to find the department with the highest average salary, having more than 5 employees. The candidate quickly checks the model again and starts writing the query. Once the query is completed, the candidate can click on Run to execute the query and make any required modifications. This creates an immediate feedback loop and helps to establish the correctness of the candidate's approach. Here we see the candidate take a logical approach to produce the desired results. Thank you for your interest in CoPanel. For more information, please visit us at copanel.online or shoot out a mail to sales@copanel.online. Also, please follow us on social media to stay on top of the latest updates from CoPanel.